Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 24. It is Christmas Eve. Holy cow, when did that happen? So we are getting ready to go downstairs and vacuum and clean, and then we're gonna go get the carpet cleaner so we can clean the carpets, and then we are gonna turn in our keys and be done with that part of the move. Obviously we're not done up here. We have a lot of stuff to figure out where it goes, but yeah, so that's what we're doing today. My hair is really crazy, and obviously like I'm not getting ready because we're just cleaning. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. I need to eat some breakfast, and then we need to go do that so we can go to the store, get the carpet cleaner. I'm hoping that we can get the carpet cleaner. They're open today, so I don't know why we wouldn't be able to, but anyway, I don't want to today. I'm so tired from the past couple of days. I'm so glad we have everything up here, and like cleaning will be the easy part, but I'm just kind of tired and I just want to like do nothing today. So obviously that's not an option because we have to turn in our keys today. Like we have to, because the apartment only gives you 3 days to move. So Saturday counted as one, Sunday, and then today. So we have to turn our keys in by the end of today. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We will get it done. It's gonna be okay, but I'm so tired. And James is so tired, and we feel like we can't move because our muscles, oh my gosh, our muscles are so sore that it like kills us to have to move. But like I said, after today, after cleaning, we will just be able to focus on this apartment. We won't have to go up and down the stairs, and all the furniture is basically where it's gonna go. So we really only have to worry about small stuff, you know? All right, well, I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys when we're in the when we're in the old apartment cleaning it. Okay guys, we are in the old apartment. It looks so sad. So we just have to wipe down everything in the kitchen. We're going to vacuum and carpet clean. Obviously vacuum because it needs it, but carpet clean because Dixie liked to put her food, like take her food out of her bowl and put it on the carpet. And so there's some stains that should come up with the carpet cleaner. We just want to make it look nice, obviously. So that is that. Big bag of garbage.
Hey, that's not very nice.
And then this is our bedroom, which is pretty much done, just vacuuming. And like I said, we're gonna carpet clean everything anyway. And then I just need to wipe down the bathroom, clean that, but everything basically is out of here minus like a couple things. Then I think this is the most amazing part. I wish I would have shown you guys that before. But this is James's podcast room. There was so much stuff in this room, you guys. Like, I don't know where it's all gonna go. But we've cleaned out the closet. Got this room cleaned. Then we have to get, there's a couple things in here, such as like the trash, toilet paper, soap, because people were helping us move. So I wanted like there to be a bathroom in case anyone needed to go. James has some shoes in here. I think that's to the washing machine, dryer, I don't know. And then this box and that towel. That piece right there, is that to the washer and dryer?
Yeah, we can throw it away though.
Oh, okay. Anyway, and then we have to take the shower curtain. And then finally, where the washer and dryer used to be, we got that all cleaned up. So yeah, now it's time to vacuum and wipe down everything and be done.
Yep.
It's about to go down. So James went upstairs. We've got to get the old light bulbs because his smart light bulbs are in there, so we got to take those out. And then we're going to carpet clean. Actually, technically, we're going to clean the bathrooms first, so that way, like, we don't trap ourselves in. But honestly, like, this room doesn't really need to be carpet cleaned, but we're going to anyway. All right, so I'm gonna start on the bathroom, And then I need to get the stuff out of this bathroom so we can take it upstairs. And then I need to do that. So yeah, there's still a ton of stuff to do. But since I last talked to you, we went to the store, we got the rug doctor. And look at all that. That came out of the fridge. I don't know what was going on with that. It's kind of gross. But I cleaned the fridge and the freezer. I've wiped down these counters again. I've wiped down the stove again. And I need to wipe this counter and this, but I'm waiting to like get all that taken care of. I need to clean the sink. I forgot. Oh no, I'm gonna use that. Never mind. I was like, I forgot to have James bring down the other thing. I need to clean the trash can too. But yeah, vacuuming has been done. I didn't even think about that. James vacuumed the whole apartment. So like I said, now it's just rug doctor and the bathroom. So I'm gonna go start on the bathroom. And try to get that done. Hopefully, my goal, I don't even know what time it is. Hang on. Ooh, the lighting's like terrible right there, sorry. We'll go back over here. It's 11:40. My goal would be by 3 at the latest to be done with this. I don't think it'll take quite that long, but it will if I continue to sit here and vlog. But yeah, so goal is to get it all done by 3. Just be done with everything. That would be so nice. And then we can start organizing upstairs, which is not so nice. We also have to go to the store, so. Well, we'll have to take the rug doctor back, but we also have to get some groceries, so. Okay, all right. Time to get this party started. Okay guys, a little update. We've carpet spot cleaned in here a little bit. This bathroom is done. Whew. So happy. So like this room is officially done. Obviously we'll do our final walkthrough to make sure we didn't leave anything, but it's done. So it's the closet. This room's basically done as well. We've we've swept and mopped this closet, but you're not really gonna be able to tell a difference. We cleaned this bathroom as well, so it's done. Whew. So now we just have to finish the kitchen. We're gonna do because we have the cleaning solution, so we're just gonna do all the do what we can, because we still have we bought this whole bottle and there's still a ton left, so we'll probably just do all the carpets. But we wanted to make sure we got the certain spots we were worried about, and we did, and everything is looking good. So yeah, now I'm gonna finish wiping down the kitchen, pack up the rest of the stuff that needs to go upstairs, and then we will be done. Okay guys, this is it. Goodbye, first floor apartment with the noisy neighbors. Goodbye. All I have left, I've got to clean the sink, I've got to sweep and mop these 2 areas, and then obviously move all this stuff. All this stuff is going up to the new apartment, and then that's our Christmas tree box. And then the trash and the rug doctor are going out to my car. So, oh, you know what? We didn't clean the garbage can. We better do that too. All right guys, now this is it. We're moving out the last few things, but everything is clean. And that is a wrap for this apartment. Okay guys, it's been a while. I've taken a nap. Oh, thank you. I've taken a nap. I feel a little bit better now. And we've been cleaning. So we have made a little bit of progress in this room. James set up his amiibo collection. That's gonna be fun to look at every morning when I come get my tea.
Oh, you're going to switch room. Are these the old ones that are garbage?
No, they're the ones
that came off the tree.
No, they're the ones.
Oh, they're the ones that.
They're the ones that were right here, but they're not gonna go right there. I'm just gonna put them away because it's just too much. So I've cleaned the kitchen minus this table and Dixie's bed, which need to move out of there. And then there's a mug in the sink that needs to be washed, and those little sticky things were the little the little like Christmas decorations that we put on our window. Apparently you can reuse them. They look like Jell-O. It's kind of gross. So I think I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag and put them away for this year, just because tomorrow is Christmas and they were a pain. And then this dish I need for in the morning because we're making biscuits and gravy casserole for breakfast. So I'm excited about that. I've got to figure out what to do with this stuff. These were like little gifts for helping out at church. This is my cleaner, so I need to like wipe down the counters. But other than that, the kitchen is done. So that's exciting. Right?
Right.
This room still has a lot of work to be done, as well as the living room. But we put our tree back out here. I don't even know what's going on with this. We put all our DVDs back up, so that's good. And then we have a little Dixie. Do you like that little blanket? I don't know, she likes any blanket. Obviously we didn't make our bed this morning, whatever. This shelf I think is gonna go into my office. I just have to move that stuff which goes in the bathroom. Those are essential oils that I need to unwrap and put with my collection. Just like some random stuff here. But I put the little tree in here because that's where it was in our old room. Like it was in our old bedroom. I started a load of laundry. James just left that door open. Thanks.
Well, I thought you were gonna show them what was in there.
No. Oh my gosh. Do I look like I'm going to show them the closet? Like the messiest part of this whole process? No, thank you. Anyway, so yeah, we're making progress little by little. My goal is to have this room done tonight. Like I really want this done so we can plug up our tree, watch a Christmas movie, chill, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But for now, I really need to go edit tomorrow's video. I have a vlog to edit, I have the empty apartment tour to edit, and then tomorrow I'll have today's video to edit. But I think I'll do yesterday's vlog for tomorrow, today's vlog for the next day, Christmas for the next day, and then the empty apartment tour. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. I don't know. I'm very confused about my video schedule. But after tomorrow, I've successfully put up 25 videos this month, and I'm technically not over because I'll have at least 3 more videos for you guys. So yay, moving probs. Yeah. Okay, going to get back to working. I'll see you guys. Okay guys, it is very dark, but we have our tree ready to go. Our stockings are hung by the trash can with care. Tell them what you said earlier, babe.
And hope the recycling man will soon be there.
We are watching the Santa Claus. Perfect movie for Christmas Eve. We have a little matey tatey. It's not gonna focus on her. There. We have a little Dixie May, and she's excited to cuddle with the movie. We have a me. Very tired. It's been a long day, but we're done with the old apartment. We're still working on the new, but it's coming along. Tomorrow is Christmas, so we're gonna wake up and make some biscuits and gravy casserole. So we'll show you guys that. But other than that, that is the end of Vlogmas Day 24, and we will see you guys tomorrow for the Christmas vlog. Bye guys.